this is exactly what you would do if you did have a fire starting underneath your muffler. It's not like you can, you know, get in here to clean everything out. You just get a bucket of water like this or a water bottle. You're just going to put it down here, just trying to get around it. And luckily there's not a ton of parts in here that are like plastic or anything. They're usually metal. But I mean, you want to get it put out. So when you see it happen, stay calm, get a bucket, get some water, and just put it over that top to get it out.